Hey hi everyone, welcome to AptiMaster Permutation and Combination series. So the next question is, from the word driver, how many words can be formed so that all the vowels are never together? So in the previous questions, I have mentioned the conditions that all the vowels are always together, and here the conditions is all the vowels are never together. Okay, so I have already told you in the previous questions as well that we assume all the vowels to be a single character, that is IE. So IE or EI, anything. So it is a single character now. Just consider. So now we have five characters like D, R, I, V, E, R. So from these, if I will consider I as a single character, तब कितना बाकी कैरेक्टर होगा? Like 5. Total 6. But except this I, now like considering I as a single character, क्या होगा? टोटल 5. क्या क्या है? D, R, V, R, I is a single. So total as a 5. Okay. So now we have 5 characters in the word D, R, V, R and I. Okay. But R occurs 2 times. 2 times. Right. So number of possible arrangements 5 factorial by 5 minus 3 factorial, which is NPR. 5p3, which is 5 factorial by 2 factorial means 60. Okay, and these two vowels like I can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. Okay, so 2 vowels can be arranged in 2 factorial means 2 ways. So total number of possibilities how much? 60 multiplied by 2, 120 ways. That's the question as per the previous, what we have got in the previous questions as well. Okay, but now अभी क्या है? अभी बोला है कि all the vowels are never together. Okay, this is the condition when all the vowels are always together. That is the 120 ways. Okay, so now we need to consider 6 letters. Okay, so now condition क्या है? 2 vowels never together. So now total characters 6. सब अलग अलग लेना होगा. All 6. Okay, so total number of possible words NPR. अभी N क्या है? 6, R क्या है? 4. क्या क्या है यूनिक? D, R, I, V, suppose this D, I को ऐसा लिख सकते हो, ऐसा. ओके, टोटल 6, इसके अंदर 4 हमारा ऐसा है. ओके, तो पॉसिबल लाइक पॉसिबल वर्ड्स कितना होगा? 6 फैक्टोरियल डिवाइड बाई 2 फैक्टोरियल. 6 minus 4 is 2. ओके, सो नाउ 720 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 is 360. तो अभी कितना बचा है? 360 होगा जब 2 vowels लाइक six, like 6 factorial 2 factorial, like this will be happened when all the conditions, like not the conditions, like all the possibilities. तो वो क्या होगा जब नेवर टुगेदर, सो व्हेन टुगेदर 120, तो नेवर टुगेदर ये जस्ट माइनस करना है, सो 240. ओके, सो यही है. If you have any confusions, then you just comment below.